Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share cheap keto snacks with you, some ideas for foods to keep around the house for when you just feel like a little snack. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has loads more ideas. I just kind of raided my pantry, my kitchen, and I've got these to share with you, but I've got loads more ideas which I'll pop in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite cheap keto snacks. So let's start over here with avocado. This avocado can be cheap, it just depends. These were €2 for the whole pack, so 50 cents an avo, which I thought is a good price, and it just makes a lovely snack. You could just slice it in half, pop a bit of salt on top, a bit of feta if you have it, and you've just got a lovely light snack. And nuts make a lovely snack, although I know I keep showing cashews and I keep getting told they're quite high in carbs, but if you just have a few of them, or you make a bit of a trail mix with maybe a couple of cashews and some other low carb keto friendly nuts. I've shared a few weeks ago keto trail mix how to do it, so yeah, you can check that out for lots of ideas for some good nuts. And eggs, you can make some hard-boiled eggs. Keep a bowl full of hard-boiled eggs in the fridge, and then you could just eat one as a snack. You could also mix it through with a bit of sour cream for a bit of an egg mayo. You could make deviled eggs. There's lots of things. You could just make a quick salad. You could have a salad ready to go, but yeah, hard-boiled eggs are a brilliant cheap snack. And I've got sunflower seeds over here. You could have them just like this, or I've also shared a keto-friendly granola. You could make up a granola, keep it in your fridge or pantry, and just have a portion each time you feel like a bit of a snack. And cheese, a wonderful option that's low carb, keto friendly, and super cheap. You can just get any cheese you like, keep it in the fridge, and when you need a snack you could grab a handful of grated cheese or a slice of your cheese of choice. It makes a brilliant snack. Or you could make a little snack platter with some nuts and some cheese and also some salami. I didn't include it. I wait until it's on sale, so if you've got a few packaged foods that you like, wait till they're on sale. Bulk buy whatever you can afford and make sure you eat it within the date, but that's kind of what I do. And I do have a salami that I do buy from time to time, but it was full price when I've been to the supermarket lately, so I just have not been buying it. So yeah, just salami, meat sticks, biltong, jerky, all make lovely low carb keto friendly snack. Just make sure you read the ingredients, make sure there's not any hidden sugars or carbs, and you're good to go. And tuna makes another lovely cheap keto snack. One of my sons and my husband is quite happy to eat it straight out of the tin. I prefer mixing mine with a bit of mayo or sour cream. You could just have it as just a quick snack. You could make a little salad, add a bit of your avo, some cucumber, another one of my favorites here. There's just loads of ways to enjoy tuna or salmon, smoked salmon, whatever is budget friendly, makes a cheap snack. But yeah, back to the cucumber over here. A bit of sliced cucumber or some celery makes a nice snack. You could again make a snack plate with a whole lot of different options that I've included today, but cucumber we've always got, and it just makes a perfect on the go lovely snack. And for something a little more sweet, strawberries, again, depends on what's in season. When strawberries are in season, they're kind of the end of the season here. These ones are from the Netherlands. They're not local Irish ones, they're from the Netherlands, but from Aldi, I think they're as little as €1. I don't always buy it unless it's reduced and a good price, otherwise I'll just buy frozen. Aldi frozen berries are always in my freezer, so they can be used as a snack just on their own, or with some whipped cream, or I might make a chia pudding. I've got my favorite Greek yogurt from Aldi here. You can add a bit of stevia to sweeten. You can make a chia pudding. You can, as I said, mix through some strawberries, frozen berries. You can make my favorite chia jam, which I mention I think every video. Chia jam is also always in my fridge that you can mix through. That's low carb, keto friendly, and makes a lovely snack. And my ultimate sweet snack is making hot chocolate, or just having a row of this Aldi chocolate. This is the 85% Aldi chocolate, so budget friendly. I think it's at €1.40 a whole block, which lasts a little while. I'll have like a row or so a day, and it kind of is a lovely low carb keto friendly snack that's a bit on the sweet side. And also if you feel like you need a bit of protein, I've got protein powder over here. My husband more has protein powder than me. He likes having protein powders after working out, but it's a snack you could quite easily make a protein shake with a bit of almond milk and your low carb friendly protein powder of choice, and it can be quite budget friendly. And last over here, tea. 3 mint tea. If you want a snack, I quite enjoy mint tea. It's my favorite one. You might enjoy coffee, regular tea, whichever you'd like, but it makes a nice snack, just keeps you kind of going and satiated between meals. You can pop a bit of coconut oil, MCT oil, a bit of butter into it to just make it high fat and keto friendly if you want, or just enjoy it plain. I just enjoy a plain mint tea. I love mint tea, but whenever this is on sale, I'll get a few boxes of it, and I'll probably only a couple of times a week have my mint tea, but when I do, I like having this nice one. And yeah, buy it when it's on sale, or you can just get a budget friendly one from Aldi or a discount store. But those are my cheap low carb keto friendly snacks. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and got some nice ideas for snacks, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has loads more ideas and a whole list and recipes and lots of inspiration for keto friendly cheap snacks. So click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your go-to cheap keto snacks. I look forward to reading the comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.